Reduce, recycle, reuse. Infobooth 19 welcomes you all to Zero Waste series. So every Friday we are seeing one episode. So today's episode we are going to see 5 DIY zero cost fertilizer. So it is going to be a treat for all the people who loves to grow plants in their home. So be it a gardener or a balcony garden or a terrace garden, you want to keep your plants very healthy with zero investment, please do check out this 5 DIY zero cost fertilizer tips. We are not going much in detail. I'm just going to give a brief and detailed fertilizer preparing steps and all those things. I will be covering it in my balcony garden series. Do check out that as well. So the first DIY is rice wash water. I'm not going to say something very serious which you need to spend time on it and do it. No, it is like rice is a staple food and every day we are cooking rice, and before cooking rice surely everyone will wash the rice for 2 to 3 times with water. That water, please don't throw it. I would suggest that you can always keep a bucket or a container near your sink, so that whenever you wash vegetables or rice or anything, you can just collect that water. At the end of the day you can dilute it with our regular water and you can water your plants. This rice water is more healthy for plants because it has a high starch content. It helps in the foliage, it keeps your plant leaves very green and very bright, and also it helps the bacteria to grow in the soil so that your plants will be more healthier. And the second one, if you see, the next best one is dal wash water. Not only dal, any lentil if you take, be it green gram or any lentil if you take, if you wash it some 2 to 3 times, the first water you can remove it, the second and third water till you get the clear water we will be washing it. So that water is highly nutrition rich, high protein rich. It is very good for plants. This again you can dilute 10 portion with water and you can water your plants, and it helps the plant grow in a very healthy way. The next very interesting one is this egg boiled water. So whenever you boil egg, so don't throw that water. That water you can use it for plants. It is highly rich in calcium and it has a lot of nutrients in it, especially the plants like tomato plant and green chili or any vegetable plant. If you see, if you have the high calcium content, the plants will grow in a very healthy way. Water, what it does is it makes your root very strong and firm. In that way your plants can be very strong, and your fruits and vegetables whatever you are harvesting, it's going to be very healthy and very tasty. And the next interesting fertilizer, it's my favorite fertilizer, which is banana peel. So banana peel is rich in potassium, magnesium and lot of nutrients in it. So either you can chop the banana pieces and directly you can bury in the soil. That is also a good fertilizer. It helps the soil to be more nutrient rich. It helps, in turn it makes the plant grow very healthier. Especially this banana water, banana peel, you can even soak it in water. After 3 days you can leave it in water itself, and that after 3 days that water you can take and dilute it with 10 portion of water. If you water your plants, especially the flowering plants will be very beautifully grown. So this banana peel water is the best fertilizer I could ever say. Banana, either you can use it in a compost or you can soak it in water for 3 days and you can use it, or you can directly chop the banana peel pieces and you can directly bury it in the soil. And the next one is neem leaves water. So it's the best pesticide, natural one, because when you boil the neem leaves in the water, and the water if you dilute and if you add to your plants, the pest will not come and the plants will grow very healthy. So this is again an DIY. It is all the natural ways of making the plants grow. So these kind of things, you don't need to invest more on it, or you don't need to go and search outside. It is directly from your kitchen. So we are hitting 2 important things. One, we are using the kitchen waste. It is for your plants, so which is again a zero waste, and you're not investing on it, especially investing either money or not investing, or time also you're not investing. Best portion to be covered in my zero waste series. Lot of products in the market like a growth booster, immunity booster, plant growth hormones, so many things are available. So instead of buying all those things, check out these natural zero cost fertilizer which is available in your home itself. Just try it out for some 15 to 20 days. I am 100% sure you will start seeing the results. If you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.